In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a timer on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So to go and start a timer, we just need to come over to the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store, and then we're going to click on the Microsoft Store. In the search box, go and type in the word clock and hit enter. Then select the Windows clock, which is this third one in the list. And if you don't already have this installed, then just click on the Get button to go and install this to your computer. Once it's finished installing, you can open up the application by clicking this button here, or you can just come over to your Start menu and search for clock, and then open up the clock application. From here, click on Timers in the left-hand side, and now you can go and set yourself a timer. So you can choose from one of these pre-made timers here, or we can click on the plus icon and then go and set ourselves a custom timer. So I'm going to set this for 2 minutes and click save. And then to go and start the timer, just click on the play button. And just like that, we have now set ourselves a timer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.